Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on here and share with you an unboxing video of a brand that I discovered through Ipsy and also through Instagram, and it's called Araceli Beauty, and I ordered some products from there and I just want to kind of talk about them a little bit. So they are basically like a eye company. They have lashes, they have eyeshadow palettes, they have brushes, they have liners, and I actually discovered them through their liner, and it's actually the one that I use today, and I really like it. It's a really fine felt tip and it delivers like the perfect amount of pigment. It's really easy to use. I got that in an Ipsy bag a while back and I fell in love with it, and then I started following the brand on Instagram and I saw that they create lashes and I wanted to try some out, so I actually ordered some. So when you place an order, they also give you a little makeup bag, which is cute. It's a little clear pouch, and then some stickers as well. So we have a pan dulce, and this one is a made in Mexico sticker, and then also like a little Mexican candy. This one is chicle, so a little gum, and then I have some lashes, and then I also bought one of their new products, and it's the Bella sponge, and it came in this box, but I took it out and used it today. It's really soft and pliable. I need to get used to it though, because the sponge that I've been using is a lot bigger than this one, and this one is so compact and so small, but it did a really good job blending out my foundation, so I do really like it. But the lashes that I got, I actually just ordered one pair. I ordered this one in Lety, and I'd actually been eyeballing them for a while, but they were out of stock, and they recently got them back in. That's what they look like, just really flirty and pretty. But instead of getting those, they actually sent me this one called Chewy, and I contacted them and I just said, hey, you know what, I actually got the wrong pair of lashes sent to me, and within like 2 days, 3 days, I got the set that I'd actually ordered, and they told me to just keep this set. So their customer service I was really impressed with. I just sent them a message on Instagram and let them know, but I'm really impressed, and they just came out with 2 more styles of lashes like last week, I think it is, Morelia and Catherine, and I really want to pick up Morelia, so I will probably be placing another order soon. But I wanted to go ahead and do a lash try on with you guys. I have not used the lashes yet, and I'm gonna try them out today. Typically I have been like trimming my lashes, but I'm gonna try without trimming these today and just see. And I've got these little tweezers for lash application, so I'm gonna hold the lash in the tweezer, and then I'm going to use Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue and just brush it on the band. Can you guys see what I'm doing, or am I holding it too low? The band seems really thin, which is why I wanted this pair in particular, because the band for Chewy seemed a lot thicker, and I love really like thin bands. So I'm just gonna kind of let this air out a little bit, and then we're gonna apply it. I should have done my right eye first, dang it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let's see. So I'm just going to, feels awkward. The grip feels awkward. I'm just going to place this. What is going on with my hands right here? I can't, guys. I literally can't. Well, that works. That's a lash application for y'all. Just place it down next to the lash line. Come on. You know why? Because it's the opposite. I always do the right side first, and I always do the left side last. That actually stuck down really well. Okay, last one. Last one, like there's more than 2. You only have 2 eyes. You only need 2 lashes. They do feel really light. Excuse me. They do feel really light, on the eye. They don't feel heavy, but the lashes are a lot longer than what I'm typically used to. This grip feels so much nicer. Alright, I'm just going to stick it down. There we go. All right, there are the lashes. Hopefully you guys can see them. I think they're really pretty. I think they really complement this look. They're not super, oh, this side popped up. They're not super like overpowering or anything. I think they're really pretty. So I will link Araceli Beauty down below, so you can go ahead and pick up some lashes or a sponge or brushes or whatever if you're interested, and I'll link their Instagram page as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and tutorial, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.